Hello guys, it's been a while since I've unboxed my last 1/200 scale model, the Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental in the rollout or sunrise livery. But today, I have room to unbox my very last 1/200 scale model for a while, which is due to a shortage in the space, as well as the last unboxing video of the year. So, I'll be unboxing a 1/200 scale Hogan Wings China Airlines Airbus A300-600R, in which I bought it from Amazon.com for about $50.95 plus free 2-day shipping via Amazon Prime. So this will be an unboxing video and review of the Hogan Wings China Airlines Airbus A300, featuring the box cover showing the individual model airplane parts, and I'll give commentary for the airplane itself. So let me show you the box cover. Alright, let's unbox this model. Here. Logo stand. We got lighting lines. So elevator and tail, your left and right wing. Here's your left wing. Here's your right wing. Tail. Pop that out. Here's what's this? Left elevator. Your right elevator. they're really difficult to put on. Oh. I heard snap. Here's well, I don't want to risk snapping it off, so here it is as for right now. Anyway. Battery. That's your whole aircraft assembled. Oh, now assemble the airplane stand. Here is the aircraft on the stand. Yeah, well, try to snap it in fully a bit later. Anyhow, here's the aircraft, and about the landing gears, I'll put them on. Let's say after the unboxing video, but I want to show you the in-flight mode for display purposes. You have a detailed door. Here's your aircraft registration on the front. Bravo 18503. China Airlines logo. Strobe lights. You have an antenna. Very detailed wing. Here's your wing fence and nav lights. These engines, they do spin, but I'm not gonna spin it for you as I don't have any tools to help turn the fan, and I don't want to blow on it either, so waste time on it. But anyhow, here's another sign on the nav light. Again, the wing detail. Cargo door, pitot detail. Here's the registration again with the Airbus A300-600R logo. Your rear cargo door. Your China Airlines logo on the tail, which is much more like it's a blossom logo. Your APU. Here's another side of the rear section. Here's your stuff. Your gear, Hogan Wings logo, your lights, your landing lights, gear door for the main gear, your undercarriage antennas, and yeah, that's it. That's about all. So On a personal note, I flew on this aircraft. Flew from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam via Taipei, Taiwan for my 1-month Vietnam trip with my family back in March of 2003. And I was a little kid back then, and it was a 3.5-hour trip there and back. And I remember having the window seat on the way to Vietnam. Yeah, just a little personal note. I flew on this exact aircraft. I wonder when not sure when did it retire, but the plane on this route was replaced by the Airbus A300. And yeah, so that's the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe for more unboxing videos of my model aircraft collecting journey, as well as any takeoff and landing videos of various commercial aircraft. So thanks for watching. Happy safe flights to all, and Happy New Year.